Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolates from compound, full guide. Begin by melting compound chocolate gently in a double boiler or microwave in short bursts, stirring often until smooth. Add flavors or inclusions, test one piece for texture, then pour into molds, tap out air bubbles, chill until set, and finish by trimming edges and packing for storage or gifting. Enjoy experimenting and tweak ratios to match your taste and desired snap. Gather tools before you start so the process flows smoothly and calmly. Use a thermometer to watch temperature and avoid overheating compound chocolate, and prep molds by cleaning and drying them fully. Keep spatulas and a small brush handy to fill details, and set up a cooling space where chocolates can set undisturbed. A tidy station speeds work and improves final appearance, so organize as you go. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more helpful guides. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh while you package or deliver chocolates, because life is too short for a stinky car. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Master a few simple techniques to elevate your homemade chocolates and make them look shop-ready. Stir slowly while melting to keep the texture glossy, and test small pieces to check setting time and snap. When filling molds, pour steadily, tap to release bubbles, and use a bench scraper to level backs before chilling. Finish by trimming edges and storing in a cool, dry place to preserve flavor and shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.